Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see how to make coir stand or coir pole for money plants easily at home. Coir stands are much suitable for vertically growing plants like money plants. These stands helps in water retention, thus helping the plants to grow faster. Here I have taken two money plants which are grown around 1.5 feet. Start taking out the dead or damaged leaves. I have taken two plastic rods. These I have taken from the jute shopping bag. You can take any plastic rod of any height as per your need. Insert the rod in corner of the pot to prevent the root damage. I have taken two coils of each 2 meters length. Securing the coir in the bottom of the plastic rod by putting a knot. Start winding the coir onto the plastic rod. Now again put one more knot to secure the coir. After securing, you can take off the extra coir. Spray some water on the coir. Now gently wind up the money plant onto the coir. Do it with more care. You can secure the plant with the stand by tying up with a thread. Yes, it's done. I'm going to do the same for the second plant as well. Yes, we are done. It's very easy, isn't it? Thank you for watching. Do subscribe to the channel for more updates. Take care. Bye-bye.